A very good morning, children. Let's continue with the chapter. Now, in the class, we have seen what is the meaning of market equilibrium, and then we saw that how a market equilibrium is achieved, right? And then what happens when there is excess demand, and what happens when there is excess of supply, and then we also saw the shift in demand and market equilibrium. The next topic is shift in supply and market equilibrium. Now, in this situation, your supply is increasing or decreasing, but the demand is constant, right? Now, in this particular diagram, children, as you can see, there is increase in supply. The supply is increasing. Of course, you have the original supply curve and the demand curve, and this is supposed to be your equilibrium point, right? And PO is your equilibrium price and QO is your equilibrium quantity. Now, when supply is increasing, okay, your equilibrium point is going to shift from E to E1, right? And your equilibrium quantity is increasing and your price is decreasing. Okay, so we know that when the supply increases, when it is related to any commodity or any product, as I always say, when there is excess supply of anything in the market, okay, we don't value the product and automatically the price comes down, right? So when the supply is increasing here, demand being constant, the price is going to come down. So higher supply leads to lower equilibrium price and higher equilibrium quantity. Got it? The next, children, is decrease in supply, where your supply is decreasing, okay, and your equilibrium point is going to shift from here to here, that is from E to E1. Now, when there is decrease in supply, your demand being constant, your equilibrium supply is going to shrink and your equilibrium price is going to increase. So when supply decreases, okay, everybody, the demand is the constant. That means, for example, if we were demanding 10,000 units, but now the producers are supplying only 8,000 units, so less quantity in the market, so automatically the price is going to rise. Okay, so lower supply leads to higher price and lower quantity exchanged. Okay, so this is a situation of shift in supply and market equilibrium where your demand is constant. So shift in supply curve, rightward shift in supply curve, supply for a commodity increases while demand remains constant, decrease in equilibrium price, but increase in quantity. As you can see here, okay. And the next is leftward shift in supply curve. Supply for a commodity decreases while demand remains constant. There is increase in equilibrium price but decrease in quantity, as we can see in this particular diagram. Okay. Now, as I also gave you the diagram where both the diagrams, okay, of demand were in one. So these two diagrams, children, of increase and decrease in supply, you can also show in one particular diagram where your demand is constant. This is the original supply curve and E is your original equilibrium point. So when your supply is increasing from S to S1, okay, your quantity is going to increase, but your price is going to come down. But when supply decreases from S to S2, your point of equilibrium also changes from E to E2. Your supply is decreasing, but your price is increasing from P to P2. Okay, so this is the diagram where both increase and decrease in supply is shown in one diagram, your demand being constant. Okay, so please go through the notes and please go through this particular slides also, children, and please draw the diagrams in your notebook. This is it for this class. Thank you.